Hey everyone, welcome back to another cleaning motivational video, and this is definitely going to be a good one. Today I tackle a deep clean of my washing machine. I did not think it was going to be as bad as it was. I am always so good with keeping up on cleaning cycles, but the hidden dirt was disgusting. A little later in the video, I also give our linen closet a much needed decluttering and reorganization. I'm so happy with how it turned out, as I can now see everything without having to dig through, and I was able to find items that I had completely forgotten about, which is always a nice surprise. I finish off this video with a folding laundry party. I swear, you miss one day of laundry and this stuff multiplies. All right, let's get motivated and get something done. So my name is Ashley and I'm a mom to 3 young boys. And okay, no judgment, but I thought I was doing a good job at keeping up with appliance cleaning cycles. With my washing machine, I always keep the door open after a cycle to avoid that moisture buildup. I run the vinegar cycles usually with my towels, and I even throw in those a fresh washing machine cleaning tablets. But guys, that just didn't get the hidden grime. I was shocked at the dirt I was finding. Living with 3 boys, a dog, and a cat is giving my washing machine a hard time. We've only had our puppy since October, and I was finding dog hair everywhere. It blew my mind. Now, if you're going to do this at home as well, make sure you put a towel down, as there is always leftover water that will leak out, and it's not the most pleasant water. And well, if there isn't any water, then it's better safe than sorry. Now, this washing machine was not brand new to us, as it was here when we moved in, so I'm not exactly sure how old it is, but it gets the job done and it's used pretty much every day. When taking this apart, I noticed there should have been a screw holding it together, but there wasn't, so I'll have to go back and add one later, but it made it easier to clean off the outer white compartment. I'm using hot water, vinegar, and a little bit of Dawn dish soap to clean this entire machine. Our water here is very hard, so I find I use a lot of vinegar to clean our appliances that use water. Vinegar is cheap, easy to use, and works really well when it comes to hard water. It is definitely a staple cleaning product in this house. And yeah, that is so gross. I cannot believe that was in there.
Tell me, hang tight, it's all just temporary. Don't fight, none of it's in our hands. Lose sight of what isn't necessary. Oh no, we don't know what is coming next. So slow, the days don't pass us by. I go crazy staying here once again. 'cause I can't sleep. No, I can't sleep. I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep without you beside me. I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep without you beside me. Lately I've been losing my direction. I know, 'cause I've been trapped inside this heart of mine. I might toss and turn tonight 'cause I can't sleep. No, I can't sleep. I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep without you beside me. I'll just lie awake tonight 'cause I can't sleep without you beside me. Without you beside me. Without you beside me.
Hey, I think she knows it, but I'ma show it off. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it off. So shimmy yeah. We could have run if you just let me. Shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy yeah. The drinks in the air now, let this moment. Shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over. Tropical vibes are taking over.
I'm now throwing in baking soda, and then I'm also going to add vinegar into the fabric softener compartment to run a sanitary cycle. I ran 2 of these sanitary cycles back to back. After I ran the first one, I quickly wiped it out and then ran a second one just to make sure everything was thoroughly clean and sanitized. I'm definitely going to have to schedule these deep cleans more often, as I am expecting too much from the tablets and vinegar cycles. They're obviously not getting all the grime that I'm wanting them to. It's also not very reassuring to think of what was in this machine already when we moved in, but it's clean now and we can move forward.
I think she knows it, but I'ma show it off. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it off. So shimmy on, shimmy on. We do it all night if you just let me. Shimmy on, shimmy on. Bump it around, let's go the way. Shimmy on, shimmy on. The drinks in the air now, we have this moment. Shimmy on, shimmy on. Tropical vibes are taking over. Tropical vibes are taking over. Tropical vibes are taking over.
Spinning circles keep dizzying me. Landed in another ravine.
While I was waiting for the sanitary cycles to finish, I needed to declutter and reorganize our linen closet. I had done this about a year or so ago, but lately everything seems to just be shoved in here, and I was having trouble finding things. Surefire way to know if something needs to be reorganized and decluttered is when you are no longer sure exactly what is in there. The best organization is when you can see everything. That way you don't end up buying doubles. I didn't have to buy anything for this project as I just used what I had. I think in the future though, I will need to do a complete makeover of this linen closet. Our towels are getting old and probably could use replacing, and the boys all have themed bedding that they will soon start outgrowing. I would love to have one of those picturesque linen closets where everything matches with some nice wicker baskets. I'll add it to my future projects slash things I want list. Does anyone else have one of those? Just full of projects and things that aren't necessarily feasible in the current times, but you would love to have in the future? In our next house, I would love to have a walk-in linen closet that just constantly smells of fresh laundry. Let me know if any of you have one of those, and if you do, tag me in some pictures on my Instagram. I need ideas and inspiration.
What else it could be? You keep me close enough to see. In the eye of the storm, you're holding me. Oh, I keep grasping for release. but I know you can hear me sleep talking at night. I tried to hide, lost my mind. All my crooked edges kept me up inside, day and night. My composure ran away, disappeared without a trace. I can't cover up the pain. Hold me and don't ever leave. You're the only good in me. When I lose it,
I'm so happy with how this turned out. I swear, organized spaces just give me such peace of mind. The fact that I can open this up and just see exactly what we have is perfect. Especially when I need to go shopping, like to Costco. I don't want to question while I'm there whether or not we have enough paper towel or toilet paper. Because I have overbought in the past, and then trying to fit 2 huge packages of toilet paper in this closet does not work.
promise you'll find me.
Okay, where are all these clothes coming from? I feel like we are only wearing pajamas all day, every day with the given state of the world. So seriously, where does this all come from? In all honesty though, all 3 of my kids are going through a size change recently. So this was accumulation of 2 sizes for each kid, where one had to be put in storage and the other had to be put away. The boys also got quite a bit of clothes from Christmas from the grandparents. So they also need a clothing decluttering and reorganization, but I'll just add that to my to-do list. It really is the never-ending story.
Promise you'll find me.
One chore my oldest does is folding socks and putting them away. My middle son will help him intermittently, but his attention span is lacking. I have a bin where we throw all the clean socks in, and then he will usually tackle it on his own, but when it gets too full, he does sometimes need those gentle reminders. He has his own system of how he likes to find the pairs, and then he lines them up so he can count how many socks he folded. I'm so thankful that he does this, as I already do not like folding clothes. We don't need to throw socks on top of that. I don't care how he gets it done, just as long as it gets done, and I don't have to be the one to do it. I would love laundry if it only consisted of throwing it in the washing machine and then transferring it to the dryer. I guess they need to invent a machine that I can throw the freshly dried clothes into that would then fold and put them away for me. Hashtag patent pending?
Promise you'll find me. Now we wait while I waver in and out of mental states. I can't escape. Watch the flame. It could burn us both if it is never tamed. I'm afraid. Hold me and don't ever leave. You're the only good in me. When I lose it, find me. Yeah. Promise you'll find me. Promise you'll find me. Promise you'll find me. Promise you'll find me. Tell me something. Do you regret it? Hanging all your dreams like coats on the way we had it. Tell me something. Are we pretending like this 3-year dead end road is still something magic? 'Cause I don't wanna be you down. I'll never be alone here wearing a crown. I gave you everything, but I know better now. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how.
Looks like Ollie loves a clean bed just as much as I do. I'm gonna end this video here after this epic laundry folding party. I already know I currently have another 2 loads that need folding, and just watching this back has motivated me to go get those done. I really don't want another massive pile like this one to happen again, so I better stay on top of it. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching until the end. I appreciate all the support and would love if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday and Saturday on cleaning motivation and tackling our real life messes. Until next time, bye!
There's no good reason to call it over. Just a feeling in my bones and I can't ignore it. Good on paper, ain't going nowhere. See that look inside your eyes and it's getting colder. I've been getting dizzy from all this back and forth. Tell me, am I losing my head or losing my heart? 'Cause I don't know what's worse. I just know that I don't wanna be the one holding you down. I'll never be alone here wearing a crown. I gave you everything, but I know better now. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how. Wish I knew. Wish I knew. I just wish I knew how.